In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your current password in League of Legends. Keeping your account secure is crucial, and updating your password regularly is one of the easiest ways to protect your in-game progress and personal information. I'll walk you through the process step by step and share a few helpful tips along the way so everything goes smoothly. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to the official Riot Games sign-in page. To stay safe, make sure you're on the legitimate site by checking for a secure connection and the proper Riot Games address in the URL bar. Once you're on the sign-in page, log in with your current account details. Take your time and double-check your information so you don't get locked out due to a simple typo. After you're signed in, go to your account settings. This is the central place where you manage your Riot account details. If you're already logged in from a previous session, you can go straight to the settings page without signing in again. Inside Account Settings, look for the Riot Account Sign-In section. This is where your main login information lives, and it's the section that controls access across League of Legends and other Riot titles. In the password area, you'll see fields to enter your current password, a new password, and a confirmation of that new password. Begin by typing your current password to verify it's really you making this change. Then pick a new password that's strong and unique. Aim for a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid anything easy to guess, like common words or repeated characters. If you use a password manager, this is a great time to generate and store a secure passphrase. Re-enter the new password in the confirmation field exactly the same way. If the two entries don't match, the page will usually let you know, and you can correct it before moving on. When everything looks good, click Save Changes. Give the page a moment to process, and look for a confirmation message indicating that your password has been updated. From this point on, your new password will be the one you use to sign in to the League client and any other Riot services. A couple of quick reminders before we wrap up. Keep your new password private, avoid reusing it on other sites, and always sign out on shared or public computers. The next time you log in, use your updated password and you'll be all set.